Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Bank of America account and all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. First of all, there is two methods by which you can easily cancel your Bank of America account. That is via online method, or you can say via calling method, and the second method is via visiting nearest branch. Okay, so the first thing you need to keep in mind that you can visit in your nearest Bank of America, you can say bank and nearest location, and you can visit over there and make sure, first of all you need to make sure that you need to visit at your home branch where you have opened your account if possible. Okay, so because if you visit your nearest branch, or you can say visit your home branch, then you can cancel your account very easily. And if you visit different branch, then there may be some difficulty while canceling your account. So the best thing is you can visit your nearest branch or home branch and tell them that you wish to cancel your account, and they will guide you each and everything, and they will cancel your account and they will tell you each and everything. Okay, and the second method, that is calling method. On this method you need to dial this number like this, as you can see over on your screen. This is the phone number. You need to dial this number, and once you get connected, you can tell them that you want to cancel your account and all, and they will you can say they will try to convince you that keep your account exist with their, you can say, bank and all. So you need to be prepared like that you wish to cancel your account anyhow, and once you can request them, then they will, you can say, cancel your account, and they will guide you each and everything, what are the problems maybe you will face while deleting your account and all. So they will guide you each and everything. You just need to make a call on this number and they will guide you each and everything. Okay, and they will cancel your account, and they will, please make sure while canceling your account, please tell them that you need a confirmation email and your proof of cancellation and all. So this is the best thing that you want to cancel your account. This is the best method. So if you're facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.